peoples, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have some good vibes coming up from Jordan Davis. This song is called I Ain't Sayin. Okay, so we're gonna learn to play this 4-chord song with a capo set on the first fret. That's the best setup to have the easiest chords possible. So put that on if you have, and let's go over the chords C, D, B minor, and E minor. And if you don't have any capo, then play without, follow the same chords. It will be a little bit darker sound than we have this now, because we want to match with the sound, but still go with these chords. That's the best for you. So starting with the C, I'm gonna look at that goes. It will be third on A, second on G, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is D, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have B minor. It's a bar chord where you place the index finger on the second fret. You push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord is E minor. And that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so like I said, the chord progression is C, D, B minor, and E minor. Okay, so we have pretty much 2 parts in this strumming pattern. So we're going to look at the transition now from C to D, and then we're going to apply the same principles for the next B minor and E minor. All right, so looking into the first half of the song, C to D, you're going to play like this. Okay, so you're going to start with C, down, up, and these down, up are the prominent downs and ups you're going to play, but then you can add on an extra up, okay? That's just a filler, so to speak, but the dominant downs and ups will be down, up. Okay, so. And if you want to add this extra up as a filler into the next D chord, you can just play like this. And slowly. That final up is just a filler. Okay, so down, up, up. And then you go into the next chord, in this case the D, and you're gonna play down, up. Those are the prominent downs and ups. That will be down, a short pause, it's a little delayed, and then up, like this. And then you can have a filler, up. So you play down, up as the prominent ones, and then up. Okay, so that is the second half of this strumming. So slowly, one strumming round goes like this, C to D. And then apply the same principles for B minor to E minor. So B minor is played part 1 in the same way as C, down, up. And then E minor in the same way as D, down, up. So slowly like this. And if you put everything together, C, D, B minor, E minor, it goes like this. And a couple of rounds, standard tempo, something like this. Okay guys, so that is how we're gonna handle Jordan Davis, I Ain't Sayin. You're gonna play in the same way through the entire song. Good luck with this one and hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.